Install the dust plug into the port 3 interface of the tablet. Attach a ball head from the stand using screws to the back of the tablet. Tighten the screw and install the dust plug. Attach another ball head to a suitable position on the stand. Secure the tablet stand to the ball head, and install the tablet on the other side. Tighten the bolt handle and adjust the direction of the tablet to face the driver. Install the controller using 3M adhesive. Mount the GNSS antenna at the designated position on the land leveler. If no position is pre-designated on the land leveler, install it centrally as possible. Use screws to secure the antenna bracket. Secure the antenna onto the bracket. Install the radio antenna on the roof of the driver's cabin. Install the camera using 3M adhesive. Mount the camera directly to the rear of the tractor's roof. Locate the tractor's power source and turn it off. The satellite land leveling system supports DC 12V and 24V power supply. Connect the power source to the power extension cable, ensuring the power is off and polarities are correctly matched. Connect the power extension cable to the main communication line. Connect the main communication line to the CAN bus splitter. Connect the CAN bus splitter to both the handheld control panel and a controller. Connect the controller to the solenoid valve cable. Connect the solenoid valve to the solenoid valve cable. Connect the main communication line to the port 2 interface of the tablet. Connect the camera to the port 1 interface of the tablet via the camera cable. Connect the radio antenna to the radio interface of the tablet. Connect the antenna to the ANT1 interface of the tablet using the GNSS cable. After wiring, use cable ties to secure the wires to prevent safety hazards.